This is a real special apple pie, no butter, no oil, but a delicious jelly that will make it soft and scrumptious, mascarpone. Today we'll bake apple and mascarpone pie together. Let's begin! I start by taking care of the apples that need peeling and cutting into cubes. Off with the core. The apples are all cut. I keep them aside. They will be the last ingredient I will add to the cake, and I can take care of the dough. I'll pour the eggs in this bowl, a pinch of salt and sugar. I start whipping with the electric whisk. And continue until I get a light and airy mixture. And now, still with the whisk on, I add the mascarpone, the secret ingredient of this recipe, an ancient cheese of which apparently Napoleon was very fond too. I'll add the flour too. And the baking powder, both already sifted. Vanilla seeds. And I just have to add the apples. I add them to the dough with the help of a spatula. And I can transfer everything in a pan that I have already greased and floured. I'll level it slightly with a spatula. And my cake is ready to bake in a preheated static oven at 180 degrees for about 50 minutes. One last touch of powdered sugar, and here is my cake, fluffy and ready to bite. I'll link down below the photo recipe on GialloZafferano, where you can find doses, ingredients and the step-by-step procedure. If you liked this video, leave us a nice like, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments. And if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel. Bon appétit!